Here's how to find the clipboard on your Samsung phone. Now, I have my clipboard open on my Samsung Galaxy, and what you're looking for is the toolbar at the top. If you don't have it on there, you can always add it just by swiping up and tapping on the Settings app on your Android phone. And now from here, scroll down and tap on General Management, and then tap on Keyboard towards the bottom. After you've done that, select your Samsung keyboard where it says All, and then we're just going to scroll down until we find Keyboard Toolbar and make sure to toggle this on. Now, let's go back into where that clipboard is or keyboard is, and you can see here is the toolbar. What you're going to do is tap on those three dots at the top right, and you should see that clipboard. It might already be there. If it's not, you can take your finger and drag it up there, and then just tap on it to be able to see everything in your clipboard. To paste, you can just tap on it, or to delete, of course, tap the trash can icon, select, and then delete it. I hope this helps. If you wouldn't mind, take a second and leave a comment with your feedback down below. Let me know if this legitimately helped you, or if you're still having issues with your phone.